Okay, greetings everyone. So, candid moment here. I did start a lot of herb seeds for this 2026 growing season, and they didn't turn out the way that I expected. But I am very happy with what has sprouted, which is the fenugreek and some of the basil. There's also some oregano and some savory. However, I have been watering it with rainwater that was sitting outside in a clear bottle, and so algae has started to grow on the surface of the soil. And I also let it dry out, and so as you can see, I have them sitting in some water so that they can soak up that moisture and re-moisturize. And then my last desperate attempt is to actually re-dig some little dents in the soil and just replant some seeds. Would it be a better idea to just start over in a new container that doesn't have algae growing in it? Probably. However, since there are plants that are still growing here, I'd rather not have empty cells just full of soil, dried out soil, because with the amount of light and energy that I use to grow these seedlings, I feel like it's kind of a waste to not have something growing in each and every cell. So why not? I'm just going to be refilling those with seeds, and I'll probably also start new trays as well. So, the moral of the story is if you are a beginner gardener and something like this has happened to you, whether there is fungus or algae growing on your soil surface, or maybe life got busy and you forgot to water and things dried out, didn't germinate, don't feel bad and don't be discouraged. It happens to everyone, whether you've been gardening for 1 year, 6 years, or 10 years, because that's just life sometimes. And you just have to figure out what you're going to do to improvise and make it work. So in this case, I will be planting new seeds in the empty seed cells. Growing food and medicine is so important, especially in this day and time. And so every chance, every space that I have where I can grow a seed, I want to do that. So while the other seedlings are sizing up and getting ready to be transplanted, I will be replanting in those sad empty seed cells.